Welcome back to Booze and Rocks. My name is David Edwards. Do jalapenos and pomegranates go together? You bet they do. Let's get into it. All right, it's great to have every single one of you back here today. It is Margarita Monday. Now, what does that mean for those of you that are new to the channel? Every other Monday, I make a margarita or its variant or a recipe sent in by you, the viewer, to try here in front of everyone. And you know what? It's pretty awesome. You all get to see something really, really cool. And today I'm going to start that off with some Teremana tequila. I have not ever had a chance to have that yet. So ideally, you should always take a quick test of any new liquor or spirit that you're going to use in a cocktail. And the reason for that is so you have a good understanding of how it will interact, because you may need to make subtle changes. Oh, it smells really, really good. Now, Teremana tequila is the child of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, a noted WWE Hall of Famer and Hollywood movie star. Oh, it smells really, really good. It's nice. You can taste that flavor. Oh, and it just sits on your tongue in just a way that is, oh yeah, this is good. This is gonna be a great margarita. Put that there. Oh. Anyways, I will grab that later. Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to this. So today's margarita of choice is a spicy pomegranate margarita. And I think you're gonna like this. So the first thing you need to grab is a jalapeno. Grab your knife, and then you're going to cut 3 slices. Perfect. One of those will be for your garnish. The next thing you need is your shaking glass of choice. And you're going to take 2 of them and throw them in your glass like so. Now that's perfect. Grab your muddle, and we're just going to muddle this gently. All we're doing is breaking this up just a little bit to start the juices flowing from this. And what will happen when we shake this is the juices will pulverize and flow even better. So this is our beginning process. Now, grab your tequila of choice. In this case, you want a Silver Tequila. I'm using the Rock's Teremana tequila, and we'll use 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. Oh yeah. The next thing we're going to do is grab agave syrup. Now, we don't need a lot for this, but we do, however, need 1 bar spoon. And a bar spoon is equal to 5 milliliters. Put that back here. Give this just a little bit of a swizzle, and that's just to clean off your spoon. Next thing you need is some lime juice. So grab a lime. We're gonna chop this in half, and we need 1 ounce of this. So what we wanna do is squeeze it out, and you'll get approximately 1 ounce per lime, depending on the time of year and the season. And you need 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. Very, very nice. Put that here. Grab your pomegranate juice. In this case, I'm using pomegranate juice, and we need 4 ounces. 4 ounces works out to 120 milliliters. And look at that color. You just can't go wrong yet. Oh, smells great. Grab some ice. And we're gonna shake this for 10 to 15 seconds. Give it a flip and shake with a smile. Yeah, with the strength of 1,000 jalapenos, take that off. And now we're going to grab your glass. Interestingly enough, I need to find my salt. Yeah, there it is. Beautiful. Right here. Look at this. And before we get too far, take the end of your jalapeno, and we're just gonna rub half the glass. And I only like to put salt on half the glass because whoever you're giving this to may not like a mouthful of salt. Look at that. Very, very nice. We need some fresh ice. And now what we're going to do is we are going to double strain this. Look at that color. Absolutely gorgeous. Take your remaining jalapeno and drop it on top just like so. And you have something that'll give you that jalapeno smell, and it just looks great as a beautiful contrast of color. Absolutely fabulous looking. Let's have a sniff. Smells good. I can smell the jalapeno immediately. You can smell traces of the Teremana tequila, and it smells great already. Let's try this first without salt. Oh yeah. The pomegranate and the agave balance out that lime juice beautifully. The tequila shines through. It's not overpowering. It's not a punch in the face. In fact, you could drink a lot of these easily because the tequila is not so strong. Let's try it with a little bit of salt. Oh yeah. The salt brings out the tequila a little bit more. You may go for an entire rim or just a partial rim. This is really good. Oh yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients and the method of how to make this down in the description down below. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time I put up a new video, you will be notified. And I think you're gonna like this. So the first thing you do is grab a margarita